Hi guys, today I'm meal prepping for Lexi. Lexi is my fur baby. She's a 5 pound Yorkie mixed with a Shih Tzu. Lexi eats chicken once a day. Her kibble is left in her bowl all day long so that she can get that throughout the day. But the chicken is what I feed her every morning when she wakes up. So I boil the chicken with no seasonings at all. The only part of the chicken that I feed her is the chicken breast. I was advised by a veterinarian that the chicken breast would be the most leanest part of the chicken, and that it would be the best part to feed her, and that it was okay to give her this every day. So I just simply use my chopping board and cut it into little pieces. I chop them very small. Take a Ziploc bag and I put about a handful of chicken inside of the bag. That's about how much she can eat for a serving size. So each baggie will have one serving size. Now, I usually try to purchase like two value sizes of the chicken breast, which usually comes with, I'll say, maybe anywhere between 5 and 7 chicken breasts. And I boil them all at one time so I don't have to do this a lot. Usually, about once a month, I have to do this. So I boil them all up together, I cut them all up together, I meal prep it out in the Ziploc bags to her portion size, and I don't have to do this more than once a month. The cost of meal prep for Lexi, I would say, is about $30 per month. The pack of chicken breast usually costs me about $15 per pack, and I usually get two of them, so it's about $30 a month. So it's not too bad. I want to give a shout out to my daughter. About 2 years ago on Christmas, one of the gifts she gave me was a set of knives. And when I tell you, this set of knives was the best thing that could have happened to my kitchen life. It makes everything so easy for me. I'm going to try to show you the name of the knives here. If you can zoom in on that, I promise you, you want them in your life. They help me to cut with like little to no effort. They really do. It's like slicing a piece of cake. And believe me when I tell you, I do have to chop up the pieces this small because Lexi is so particular that if I give her bigger chunks like this, maybe like this size, she will leave that inside of her bowl for more than a day. I've never tested her more than a day, but she has left it in her bowl for an entire day. I just don't want my baby to starve, so I just cut it up. But pieces that big, no. She will leave it in her bowl before she attempts to chew it. So to prevent all that, I just chop the pieces up small enough so that they're bite-sized pieces for her. She does have a very small mouth. And here are all of the Ziploc bags that I made out of the first pack of chicken. That's another pack that I have to chop up there. But with those, I think there are like maybe 17 bags, I believe, about this size in each bag. And I will take those and put them in the freezer. Once she finishes all these smaller portions, I'll then just take out the whole breast and I'll cut them up daily for her daily portion. This also makes it easy for me to take over to my daughter's when she's babysitting Lexi. Lexi, wait, ready for chicken? Okay. And that's my meal prep for my Lexi poo poo.